Welcome to our channel where we guide you through activating your Bank of America Travel Rewards card quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel where we guide you through activating your Bank of America Travel Rewards card quickly and easily. Activating your new credit card is the first step to unlocking the rewards and benefits it offers. So let's get started. First, find the activation sticker on the front of your new Bank of America Travel Rewards card. It typically has a phone number and website listed for activation. The quickest method is using the phone. Simply call the dedicated activation number from your registered phone number. Once connected, follow the automated prompts. Enter your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and any other required personal information to verify your identity. After verification, your card will be activated and ready to use immediately. If you prefer activating online, go to the official Bank of America website. Under the Card Services section, select Activate Card. Enter your card details along with your personal verification information just as you would during the phone activation. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation that your card is activated. Another option is using the Bank of America mobile app. Download and open the app, log in with your account details, and navigate to the card section where you can select your new card for activation. Confirm your identity by providing the requested information, then activate your card with just a few taps. Remember, activating your card promptly ensures you can start earning travel rewards on every purchase. If you encounter any issues during activation, customer service representatives are available to assist you. Keep your card handy during the call or online session for quick reference. After activation, consider setting up your online account if you haven't done so already. This makes it easier to track rewards, monitor transactions, and manage your card. Enjoy the benefits of your Bank of America Travel Rewards card by using it for daily purchases and travel expenses. Your points will add up quickly, allowing you to redeem travel discounts, hotel stays, and more. Don't forget to keep your card secure and report any suspicious activity immediately. Thank you for choosing our guide to help you get started with your Bank of America Travel Rewards card. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips and guides.